Hello everyone. In this we are going to solve model question paper set 1 meant for December 2025 CMA Foundation syllabus 2022 for fundamentals of business mathematics and statistics. First question, if Q is to W equal to 2 is to 3, W is to T equal to 4 is to 5 and T is to Y is 6 is to 7, find Q is to Y. So first of all, whatever is given, like Q is to W, we can rewrite this as Q by W is 2 by 3, and then W by T equal to 4 by 5, and then T by Y equal to 6 by 7. We are supposed to find Q is to Y. That is nothing but Q by Y. So one thing is very clear. Q will come in the numerator. So first I will write Q by W. We don't want W, that has to get cancelled. So I will multiply this by W by T. I don't want T, that has to be cancelled. That means I will multiply that by T by Y. So now when we do this W and W gets cancelled, T and T gets cancelled. You will get only Q by Y. That is what we want. So Q by W is given as 2 by 3 and W by T is given as 4 by 5. Then T by Y is given as 6 by 7. So this goes with this 2 times. So we get 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 by 35, which is nothing but 16 is to 35. So the right option is option B. Let us move on. Next question. Find the fourth proportional to 6, 8, 9. So we will keep the fourth proportional as X. So we have 6, 8, 9, X. So the product of extremes is the same as product of means. So that means we get 6 times X equal to 8 9s are 72, which means X is 72 by 6, which is 12. So the option is B. Let us move on to the next question. If A is proportional to 1 by B, this is 1 by B, and A equal to 7 and B equal to 3, then when AB equal to 2, 1 by 3, actually this should be 2, 1 by 3. We have to find out what is A. So given A is inversely proportional to B, that is what is given. This means we can express A as some constant times 1 by B, or we can simply write it as K by B. What is given? A is 7 and when B is 3, so K by 3. Cross multiplying, we get K value as 21. So therefore, we can say A is equal to 21 by B. Now, given B is 2, 1 by 3. B is 2, 1 by 3. That can be written as 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 by 3 we can write. So that means this is equal to 21 divided by 7 by 3, which can be written as 21 multiplied by 3 by 7. This goes with this 3 times, so we get 9. So the option is C. So let us move on to the next. Using the properties of proportion, solve the following equation for y. Given 341 by 91 equal to y cube plus 3y divided by 3y square plus 1. So we will using componendo and dividendo, we have, means if A by B is equal to C by D, then we can write A plus B by A minus B is the same as C plus D divided by C minus D. Now let's proceed. We can rewrite the expression as 341 plus 91 divided by 341 minus 91. That is equated to y cube plus 3y plus 3y square plus 1 divided by y cube plus 3y minus of 3y square plus 1. So that is equal to y cube plus 3y plus 3y square plus 1 divided by y cube plus 3y minus 3y square minus 1. So the numerator is nothing but y plus 1 the whole cube. Denominator is nothing but y minus 1 the whole cube. Now the left hand side is 432 divided by 250. That can be simplified. Both can be divisible by 2. If we do that, we get 216 divided by 125. That is equated to y plus 1 by y minus 1 the whole cube. That means 216 is nothing but 6 cube. 125 is nothing but 5 cube. That is equated to y plus 1 by y minus 1 the whole cube, which can be simplified as 6 by 5 the cube equal to y plus 1 by y minus 1 the whole cube, which is, that means 6 by 5 is equated to y plus 1 by y minus 1. Cross multiplying this and this, we get 6y minus 6 equal to 5y plus 5. That means 6y minus 5y is 5 plus 6, means y is 11. That will be the solution. So let us check. Y equal to 11 is option B. Okay, let us move on to the next question. If 4, 6, P, 27Q is in continued proportion, find the values of P and Q. Continued proportion means those numbers or terms can be written as 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by P, that is equal to P by 27, that is equated to 27 by Q. So first, considering these two, we have 4 by 6 equal to 6 by P. Cross multiplying, we get 4P equal to 36, which means P is equal to 36 by 4, which is 9. Now, considering these two, we get P by 27 is equal to 27 by Q. We know P, we just got 9 by 27 equal to 27 by Q. Now this can be simplified as 1 by 3 equal to 9 by 27 is 1 by 3 equal to 27 by Q. Now cross multiplying, we get Q as 81. Means P is 9 and Q is 81, which is option B. We will continue with this particular question paper in the subsequent video.